Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by horinga.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about Infratel stock technical uh, analysis. What we are seeing right now is a 1 minute chart of Infratel. This is for especially for day trading. Most of the day traders use 1 minute chart, and some people use 3 minute and 5 minute also. So I'm using right now 1 minute chart so that to check the volatility of the Infratel stock. Uh, so based on the volatility only we can understand whether we can use it for day trading or not. If the volatility is good, then we can use it. If the volatility is not that much, then we cannot use it as a use it for day trading. And we check the volatility by looking at the momentum and the RSI. And so if you look at the RSI, I had already drawn the baseline. The baseline is sitting at 50. 50 is the midline between 20 and 80. So the strength RSI indicates the strength of the stock. So it is a relative strength index of the stock. So most of the times the graph is on top of the baseline, though that indicates the strength is very good. And look at the momentum. If you look at the momentum, the price momentum, the stock here also the baseline is 0, and the graph is most of the time the graph is on top of the baseline. That means the price is rising, and the price is and again the graph is showing a lot of volatility. There is it is maintaining a lot of gap between this positive way, gap in a positive way. That means above the baseline is a positive and below the baseline is a negative. Okay, if you think that way, then it's maintaining a positive gap between the baseline and itself. So here you can see very clearly. So this particular stock is at this moment is very good for day trading. That is the conclusion. Now we will move on to day chart and then see whether this particular stock is good for swing trading or not. Okay, now this is the day chart. What you are seeing is the day chart, and in the initial in the first glance result, we can see the price is moving. See the zigzag indicator here, which shows you that the price is moving clearly, and the super trend green indicator also formed, and which indicates and which is showing that the price is moving, which is that is a supporting point. And now you look at the RSI. RSI has already picked up. That means that also indicates the price is moving up, upward trend in the upward trend. And look at the MACD. MACD is maintaining a huge gap between the two lines, and the black line, the trend, the signal line is on top of the red line, and you see the green histogram. Green bars here, histogram. As I discussed in my previous videos, that whenever you see this kind of trend, this is a positive trend, and this itself indicates the price is going in the upward direction, and then with a lot of strength. Okay, and look at the momentum. Momentum is actually the graph has risen up. Okay, and now this is a very good sign. This is a very good sign that in the next coming few days the stock is going to pick up. And look at the ADX. The ADX is also in the green color. Green color is on the top of the red line, and look at the gap here. The gap indicates the strength. The gap again indicates the strength here, strength of the stock movement. Okay, so this also indicates that stock is picking up. It's going up in a very strong way. And if you look at the overall overall movement of the stock, and from 2017 onwards, from January, it bottomed out, and that time it got sold at 280 rupees, and now slowly it started rising up, and now whatever price it is showing right now, 479 rupees 20 paise. This is the highest price in this particular year. So all this technical indicators are telling you one thing, that this particular stock is good for swing trading. Now we will see whether this stock is good for long-term investment or not. For that, I am moving on to monthly chart. Monthly chart of Infratel. Okay, in the first glance, if you look at the way the candles are formed, have formed, and here what you can see is like so far this stock has not been that much good. Even right now also, this stock, I mean, the stock is not rising. Actually, it is wherever it is right now. I mean, whichever price it has touched right now. This particular price it already touched in 2015 itself. Since then, it has been moving sideways. Okay, and it bottomed out here and there. I mean, in a few, I mean, the last few years here and there. But so far, it hasn't crossed the 2015 peak price. Okay, this is a very bad sign, and this is like so. What is happening since 2015? What is happening on this particular stock is moving sideways. Okay, it is not making any new trends now, either in the upward direction or in the backward direction, or in the downward direction. And the stock has I mean the stock did rise from its from its low price from 127 to this 488 uh, in 2013 to from 2013 to 2015. So after that, it has been moving sideways. Okay, and right now it is showing some trend, but the trend is not that much strong. So the stock, whoever has invested from since 2015, they might not have given much, and this stock is like a just acting as a dead. That's it. When it comes to long-term investment, not suitable for long-term investment from TrendRider channel point of view. Okay, but good for day trading and swing trading. So this is the judgment. Okay, guys. If you like this technical analysis, please like the video and subscribe to the TrendRider channel. Thank you.